Hello students, welcome back to our video lesson. We are now in the last quarter in Mathematics Grade 10. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon is how to compute the quartiles for ungrouped data using Mendenhall and Senset method. So we have the objectives. Calculate a specified measure of position of the data using quartiles of ungrouped data using Mendenhall and Senset method. So what is quartile? So quartiles are the scores which divides the data into 4 equal parts. 25% of the distribution are below the first quartile, 50% are below the second quartile, and 75% are below the upper quartile. So for the illustration, we have the data. So yung data natin is divide natin siya into 4 equal parts. So we have Q1 for the lower quartile, Q2 for the middle quartile, Q3 for the upper quartile. So we have the formula Q sub k is equal to k over 4 times n plus 1. So for odd numbered set, so we are going to find the quartiles of the set of numbers shown below. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So step 1. Locate the middle term which Q2 by inspection. So Q2 is the middle number of the given data. So kung titingnan natin sa data natin, yung 8 is the middle data. So Q2 is equal to 8. Step 2. So use the general formula in finding the lower quartile. So we have Q sub k is equal to k over 4 times n plus 1 and round up the result to the nearest integer. In this formula, n is the number of data in the set. In our example, n is equal to 9 and k is equal to 1. Since we are going to find the lower quartile, k is equal to 1. So we have Q sub 1 is equal to 1 over 4. Yung n natin is 9 and k natin is 1. So we have 1 over 4 times 9 plus 1. And we have 1 times 9 plus 1 equals to 10. So 1 times 10 is equal to 10 over 4. So 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. So round up. So the lower quartile is the third number in the set. So yung 2.5 is nagiging 3. So yung position niya is in the third number. So therefore, our quartile 1 is 6. Step 3. Use the general formula in finding the position of the upper quartile. So we have the formula Q sub k is equal to k over 4 times n plus 1 and round down the result to the nearest integer. So in the formula, n is the number of data in the set. So in our example, n is equal to 9 and yung k natin is since upper quartile is nagiging 3 na siya. So we have Q sub 3 is equal to 3/4 times 9 plus 1. 3 times 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 4. 3 times 10 is equal to 30 divided by 4, and 30 divided by 4 is 7.5. So we're going to round down, that is equal to 7. So round down to the nearest integer. So the upper quartile is the 7th number in the set. So kung titingnan natin saan yung ika-7 number. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yung ika-10 is the 7th number. So our Q3 for the upper quartile is equal to 10. So in the summary, we have quartile 1 is 6, quartile 2 is 8, and quartile 3 is 10. So sa odd numbered set, sa Mendenhall and Senset method, yung upper quartile, yung middle quartile rather natin is ilolocate lang natin kung saan yung gitna. So how about for the even numbered set? For the even numbered set, for example, find the quartiles of the set of numbers shown below. So kung titingnan natin yung data is hindi siya naka-arrange. So first step is i-arrange muna natin ang data from lowest to highest or in ascending order. So, arrange na natin yung data. So, magiging 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 14. So, kung titingnan natin, hanapin natin yung quartile 2. So, yung dalawa yung nasa gitna, which is number 8 and 9. So, what we are going to do is i-add natin yung dalawa. So, we have 8 plus 9 divided by 2. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17 divided by 2. 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. So our quartile 2 or the middle quartile is 8.5. Next, step 2 is we're going to find the quartile 1 or the lower quartile or the Q1. So use the general formula in the finding the lower quartile. So Q sub k is equal to k over 4 times n plus 1 and round up the result to the nearest integer. In this formula, n is the number of data in the given set, k is the number of quartile. In our example, n is equal to 10 and k is equal to 1. So substitute the value of n and k in the given equation. So we have q sub 1 is equal to 1/4 times 10 plus 1 is equal to 1/4. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So 1 times 11 is 11 divided by 4. 11 divided by 4 is equal to 2.7. Or round up natin, that is equivalent to 3. So therefore, our quartile 1 is the third number from the data of the data. So the lower quartile is the third data in the set. So 2, 4, 6 ipangatlong data. So quartile 1 is equivalent to 6. Next is step 3. Find the Q3. So gagamitin pa rin natin yung formula. So yung n natin is 10. Yung k natin dito is yung 3. Since Q3 yung hinahanap natin. So substitute the value of n and k in the given equation. So we have q sub 3 is equal to 3 over 4 times 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So 3 times 11 is equal to 33 divided by 4. So 33 divided by 4 is equal to 8.25. So round down becomes 8. So the upper quartile is 8 data in the set. So yung quartile 3 natin is 11. So in summary, quartile 1 is 6, quartile 2 is 8.5, quartile 3 is 11.